From half-goats, half-spiders to super lions and murder bees, we will discover the top 10 scary hybrid animals. You are now the Global Tourist. Let's go! Number 10. Beefalo. Beefalo is a hybrid animal produced by crossbreeding a male cow and a female bison. This hybridization aims to combine the best qualities of both species, resulting in meat with desirable attributes. Beefalo can offer more milk than traditional cattle and can thrive in harsh conditions. Historically, the first recorded sightings of beefalo were accidental in the 18th century. However, they gained more attention in the 20th century as the meat industry sought ways to produce leaner meat with lower fat and cholesterol content. The beefalo highlights how human intervention can create animals with specific traits to meet human needs. Number 9. Hinny. A hinny is a hybrid resulting from the mating of a female horse and a male donkey. It's essentially the reverse of a mule in terms of parentage. Hinnies are smaller than mules but possess strong legs and can be quite robust for their size. They are known for their strength and are often used as pack animals. While they may not be the most intelligent animals, they are capable of performing tasks effectively. The size of a hinny is influenced by the dominant traits of its mother, which is usually the smaller of the two parent species. Number 8. Zoe. A zoe is a hybrid animal produced by crossbreeding a domestic cow with a yak. These hybrids have become popular among farmers in regions like Mongolia and Tibet. They are valuable as both beasts of burden and a food source, as their meat offers a combination of qualities from both parent species. Female zoe animals are fertile and can continue to reproduce, while male zoe animals are usually sterile. This hybrid demonstrates the potential of natural crossbreeding and the creativity of farmers in creating animals that meet specific needs. Number 7. Spider goats. Spider goats are a result of genetic engineering, where the DNA of goats is modified to produce milk containing spider silk proteins. The spider silk extracted from the milk is incredibly strong and can be used for various applications, including making parachutes, fishing lines, and even body armor. These goats have been genetically altered with the genes of the golden orb spider. The University of Utah is one institution that have been involved in this research. While spider goats are fascinating, their use is primarily for scientific purposes, and you won't find silk milk on store shelves. The concept of spider goats highlights the potential of genetic modification for industrial and technological advancements. Number 6. Wolfen. The wolfen is a hybrid resulting from the mating of a female bottlenose dolphin and a male false killer whale, which is a member of the dolphin family. This hybrid is quite rare and has a distinct appearance. While the wolfen does exist in the wild, sightings are infrequent, making it more commonly found in captivity. The first wolfen was produced at Tokyo SeaWorld in 1981, but unfortunately it died after just 200 days. The first wolfen in the United States was born at Sea Life Park in Hawaii in 1985. These hybrids possess a unique appearance, darker skin, and a distinctive smile. One notable wolfen, Kekaimalu, even produced offspring. However, the survival rate of wolfen offspring varies, indicating that more genetic refinement may be needed to establish them within the animal kingdom. Number 5. Geep. A geep is a hybrid resulting in the successful mating of a sheep and a goat. However, this pairing doesn't always result in viable offspring, and many geeps are born stillborn. These hybrids are rare, making them a lucky find if you encounter one. The first recorded case of a geep being born dates back to the year 2000, when a male sheep impregnated a female goat at the Botswana Ministry of Agriculture. Geeps have a unique appearance, often displaying a combination of traits from both sheep and goats. Unfortunately, geeps are usually infertile, which means they can't produce offspring. While they might not contribute to a whole population, their existence adds a touch of wonder to the animal kingdom. Number 4. Green sea slug. The green sea slug is an unusual hybrid animal that incorporates genetic material from the algae it consumes into its own DNA. This unique characteristic gives it a green color, making it look like a plant. Unlike other hybrid animals, the green sea slug isn't the result of the mating of two different animals. Instead, it incorporates genetic material from the algae it consumes, effectively using photosynthesis to create its own nutrients and energy. Researchers continue to study this remarkable creature to understand the mechanisms behind its genetic integration and photosynthetic abilities. These slugs are usually found in shallow waters and tidal or salt marshes, resembling floating leaves in the water. Number 3. Tigon. The tigon is a hybrid resulting from the mating of a male tiger and a female lion or lioness. Despite having the same parentage as ligers with reversed roles, tigons have a distinct appearance. They feature light tan stripes, a white underbelly, a big mane, and a spotted head. Tigons are not found in the wild because tigers and lions have different habitats and behaviors. These hybrids are usually bred in captivity, dating back to the birth of one in 1943 at the Munich Hellerbrunn Zoo. Most tigons are sterile, and their rarity makes them both unique and exceptional. Number 2. Lepon. A lepon is the result of mating a male leopard with a female lion. These hybrids have the head of a lion with a mane combined with the spotty body of a leopard. If released into the wild, a lepon could potentially dominate as the apex predator due to its unique combination of features. The first lepon was bred in India in the early 20th century, and only around 100 exist today. However, they are born into endangered status. Their appearance is both striking and unusual, making them a fascinating hybrid animal. Subscribe and like the video. And let's get to number 1. Number 1. Killer bees. Killer bees, or Africanized honeybees, are a resulting hybrid from the crossbreeding of different species of bees, including the common honeybee and the African bee. These hybrids were created in the 1950s to increase honey production, but ended up escaping the controlled environment and becoming a problematic pest. Unlike many hybrids, killer bees can reproduce and produce offspring. Their defining characteristic is their aggressive defense of their colony. Although a single sting may not be overly dangerous, killer bees are known for their tendency to swarm and attack in large numbers, making them a significant threat. They have spread to various parts of the world, creating challenges for beekeepers and ecosystems alike. Comment which hybrid animal would be the scariest life encounter, and continue to unleash your wanderlust by watching our latest video. Cheers!